Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then you should switch to general, go to storage, switch to SD card, tap on three dots here, go to storage settings and select format. Then confirm it by tapping format once again, and within a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.